Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete contacts in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete contacts in Telegram, first open up a Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-line icon available for us. Tap on that three-line icon at the top left corner and this kind of panel will appear where you can see there is the contacts option available for us just below the new group or just above the calls over here. Tap on contacts and all of your contacts on Telegram will be available over here. Now in order to proceed to delete a contact guys, tap on the contact which you want to delete and the chat box will open like this. Now from over here tap on their name which is at the top of the screen. You can see tap on the name at the top and this kind of interface will appear where there is the three-line icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. On this interface tap on that three-dotted icon at the top right corner and this kind of drop down menu will appear where you can see there is the delete contact option available for us just below the edit contact. Tap on delete contact and this kind of pop-up box will appear where it says are you sure you want to delete this contact, and at the bottom right side of this pop-up box guys there is the delete option available for us. Tap on delete and that contact will be deleted on a Telegram account. And guys, this is how to delete contacts in Telegram, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.